All right, now, so we're going to be checking out the first 5 for 50 on the channel, okay? On the first 5 for 50 of 2026, we're going to be jumping across seas, all right? So shout out to the subscriber who requested this one as well. He says that the intention is to show artists performing with live orchestra and choir at their live shows. So a special for more orchestral music lovers, all right? So this is for us, the people who like a band, not just a 5-person band, but the whole band, a conductor, all that. We gonna get this with these next 5 reactions, all right? So we jumping across seas. We got Epica, Eloy, Yosef, Haven, Django, McElroy or something, McCrew, and Direct. Okay. Thank you, Jim. Appreciate that, man. I'm always appreciative of all my subscribers, man. So, all right. So first on the 1s and 2s, man, we're going to be checking out the Ghost in Me. All right. From Epica. All right. So let's go ahead and check this out. Bye, Catherine.
Are you ready for something special?
Oh, we got a Valkyrie. I wish I had an alert for a Valkyrie. We got another Floor Jensen type. Okay. We back. we like I know I'll be in the Netherlands somewhere with this type of music. Will have me all in my dreams. In the mountains.
When it seems like all is gone, hear my sinister song.
The acoustics on her voice are incredible.
Why don't you sing
I ain't never seen a conductor with a mohawk before. Ooh, but look at all them string instruments. I like that. That's my favorite part. Is that the women? Hold on, we gotta take that back. We gotta take that back. I don't know when it started, but we gotta take that back. the big old the trombones. This music just make you do this. You gotta make it cry now. Hercules! Hercules! Wow. I didn't notice that they had like little small microphones on their instruments that could pick up all that. Wow. I just seen that for the first time. Woo! But when you listening, like you hearing everything on top of it, but what's really carrying all the music is the kick drums. Like this part right here wouldn't sound like nothing without those kick. Like it sounds amazing, but the kick drums are really adding that thunder. See you later, Rachel. Wow. Wow. Oh, it's black people there. All right, we was there. We was there. I didn't expect that. Shout out to the cameraman, man, who found her, because, you know, in that... Sometimes we like, where's Waldo in them kind of crowds, man? You gotta make sure you find the black person. Please, thank you. Thank you. I'm okay now. most of the time people make requests through Buy Me a Coffee. Hold on one second. But I loved every bit of that. I love the strength and the power that goes into that. I wish sometimes, like, in order for me to really digest this, like, I would have to like really like listen to the lyrics. But like the energy in that was crazy. But you could tell, like, even just due to the title, The Ghost in Me, like it did have like that spooky energy to it, but it didn't feel like that. It felt like I'm about to get you, kind of like it felt like as somebody that's being chased. You know what I'm saying? Or like what was that? Is It Scary from Michael Jackson? That's what it kind of feels like to me. But anyway, musically, it doesn't sound like that, but the vibe, you know. I would say theatrical rock music. It's definitely it's very cinematic. Like a lot of this music, like you can see that, you know, it would be played in like movies. But that being said, post comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. Catch you guys on another one, all right?